how to sync Monday.com with your Outlook calendar. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can sync your Outlook calendar with Monday.com. So, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is you have to log into your account. And once when you will be logged in, you will be redirected here to this homepage. And from here, what do you need to do, guys? You just need to follow my steps and you'll be good to go. So, the work of Outlook with Monday.com involves with integration and automation. You can see both of them, integration and automation, are right here. And there are two ways that you can do. Like I said, one from automation and one from integration. You can see when I go to automation, there are many apps here uh, that are in sync with monday.com, and that's the most beautiful feature, I would say, beautiful feature of monday.com, that it contains a lot of applications that we use in our daily life that you can sync with your applications that you use and monday.com. You can sync both of them without any issue, without any compatibility problems, or without any technical errors. So you can see here there are many apps and there are more as well. If you click here, it will show us more, but Outlook is right here. So you can click it and Outlook will be here. And there are many automations that you can use as templates here. Every time period, if the status something, send an email to someone. When status changes to something, send an email to someone. When an email from this email column is received, add it as an update. There are a limited amount of, I would say, automations that you can do, and you can also add custom automations if you want. But uh, for example, if you like this uh, automation, you can just click it as use template, and then you just need to connect your Outlook account and you will be good to go. That's it. It's very simple as it is. And now I'm going to show you the other method. The other way to do it is you can click on integrate, and here you can see there are many templates. This one is Twilio. We just need to go back, and here you can see there are many applications that we can use. For example, MailChimp, Slack, Stripe, Microsoft Teams, and Outlook is right here. So we can click on Outlook and then we are here again. So these were the two methods through which we can do it. I've just told you. And this way, we can just do it. For example, if I click here, use template, it will redirect us back to here. Just a couple of minutes ago, we were right here. So they have redirected us back here. So it's again telling us to connect your Outlook account. So we just need to connect our Outlook account. Like if we click here, it will tell us to insert our Microsoft email and password. And once when we do it, we will be able to use it and we will be able to link or sync our Outlook account with our monday.com account or board, you can say that. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.